Welcome to the Laundry Magician. We believe in clean clothes and local magic. Let's make laundry less of a chore. Experience a laundromat that actually feels nice. We offer big, clean energy, friendly faces, and a space that is truly cared for, with no corporate vibes or sketchy corners. We handle what others won't. Our large capacity washers handle up to 6 loads at a time. Our dryers can take up to 8 loads at once, which is 8 times the capacity of standard home dryers. We have the space for your oversized items. We are the bulky item specialists. We clean comforters, blankets, rugs, Ruggables, dog beds, and mattress pads with care. No fuss, no chemical shortcuts. Done right the first time. Choose your magic with our service options. You can use our fully stocked large capacity machines for self-service. For wash/dry full drop-off, it's $1.50 per pound with same-day turnaround. We also offer reliable commercial service. Hi, I'm Mark, owner of the Laundry Magician here in St. Petersburg. I've been involved in this business since 2003, and it has become more than just laundry for me. My journey has included many challenges, from buying my first laundromat in 2003 to a life-changing accident in 2018 and a long wait for a life-saving transplant. I'm alive because of a stranger's gift, and that experience changed how I see everything. A second chance at life has led to a space built on gratitude. Every clean floor, every working machine, and every friendly hello comes from a place of real gratitude. This is a clean, safe, welcoming, and human space. Check off the vibe checklist. We ensure a clean and safe environment with pristine restrooms. We offer entertainment like arcades for all ages. We are fully stocked with name brand soap, and we provide human care with staff that knows your name. Our customers confirm the positive experience. Reviews highlight that we are pristine, smell good, and handle bulky items, like dog beds and rugs, making them look brand new. We also provided support to patrons after Hurricane Helene. The numbers speak for themselves. We have 5 stars on Yelp, are open 18 hours daily, and have been in business for over 20 years. Leave with clean clothes and a lighter mood. That's the real magic. Visit us at 2705 54th Avenue North, St. Pete. We are open 7 days a week, 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. You can also text us at 727-555-0123.